Hey everyone, today we're diving into something that's been saving me a ton of headaches with my DJI Inspire 3, those TB51 Intelligent Batteries. You might not realize this, but drone batteries are one of the most common failure points for professional pilots. I've seen too many shoots get cut short because a battery just wouldn't hold a charge anymore. So when I found these YANHAO replacement batteries, I had to give them a real-world test. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, these aren't some no-name knockoff. They're 100% original-grade components, meaning they're built to the same specs as the DJI ones you'd get straight from the factory. I've used third-party batteries before that looked fine at first but started draining way too fast, like 30% loss in just a few days. Not fun when you're on location and need reliable power. These YANHAO batteries, though, they've held their charge just as well as my original DJI packs, even after months of regular use. That's huge for anyone who flies commercially or even just for fun and doesn't want to deal with unexpected downtime. Installation is another big win. I was worried I'd need special tools or a degree in engineering, but honestly, it's as simple as popping out the old battery and sliding the new one in. The connectors match perfectly, and the fit feels solid, no wobble, no loose contacts. I've seen some cheaper replacements where the plastic housing felt flimsy, but these have a nice weight to them and the craftsmanship looks clean. For the price, you'd expect some corners to be cut, but not here. Now, let's talk longevity. These batteries are built tough. I fly in some pretty dusty and humid conditions, and even after dozens of charge cycles, there's no swelling or corrosion on the terminals. The wear-resistant design really does make a difference. I've got a friend who flies the Inspire 3 for mapping jobs in rough terrain, and has been using these for over a year with no noticeable drop in performance. That kind of durability is exactly what you want when you're investing in replacement parts. Another thing that impressed me is the intelligent battery management. These aren't dumb power bricks, they communicate with the drone just like the originals. You get accurate battery life estimates, low voltage warnings, and even the smart self-discharge feature that keeps the battery healthy when it's not in use. I've had batteries in the past that would just die completely if left unused for a few weeks, but these maintain their charge well. That's a lifesaver if you don't fly every day but still want reliable power when you do. Let's not forget the price. Original DJI batteries can cost over $300 each, and even then, they wear out. These YANHAO batteries come in at a fraction of the cost for a pair, which is a steal when you consider you're getting professional-grade performance. I've seen other aftermarket batteries that were half the price but didn't last half as long. With these, you're getting a solid middle ground, affordable without sacrificing quality. Of course, no product is perfect. One thing I noticed is that the plastic around the battery contacts is a bit thinner than the original DJI batteries. It's not a deal-breaker, but if you're rough with your gear, you might want to be a little more careful when swapping them out. Also, while the performance is great, don't expect these to outlast a brand new DJI battery by a huge margin. They're built well, but they're still subject to the same wear and tear as any lithium-ion pack. So, manage your expectations there. All in all, if you're flying the DJI Inspire 3 and need reliable, affordable replacement batteries, these YANHAO TB51 packs are a fantastic option. They're easy to install, built to last, and won't break the bank. I've been using them for months now, and they've never let me down when I needed them most. If you're ready to upgrade your drone's power setup without spending a fortune, check out the link below. It's in the description, and it's the easiest way to get these on your doorstep fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.